Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you another new feature in SQL Server 2025. Actually, this is not a big deal. This is not something so exciting, but since these things have been added to this new version of SQL Server, I am kind of committed to tell you guys, or at least to make my playlist complete. Let's go. This is the picture chart, something of all the things that have been added to SQL 2025. But fuzzy functions. With these four different functions, we can find the similarity or difference between strings. To make it more clear, we can have a look at this table. Edit distance, number of changes needed to match to a string. Showing percentage from 0 to 100. The other two also are kind of the same, but these two are emphasizing on the prefix. These things might be a little bit confusing for you if I stop the video here and say, okay, go find it out, bye bye. So, I will show you by four different examples. Let's go. If you have watched one of two previous videos, you already knew that I have installed the new version of SQL Server, SSMS, everything. So here, I just created a new table. This. That's all. Word pairs. Word ID, Word UK, Word US. That's all. And then arbitrary data. So now I have a table with some rows, some data. So now I can go and try the first one, edit distance. If I run, you will see practice are 100% the same. So the difference, the distance is nothing, zero, 100% the same. These two, aluminium. If you watch some Instagram or short videos about American accent and British accent, these two nations are always making fun from some vocabs, words, verbs, such things. So now, as you can see, aluminium or another one. The difference is 1. The distance is 1. So that's all. Edit distance. This is the first example. In this query, it said if the edit distance is less than or equal to 2, like this. More than this would be filtered out. Let's go for another one. Edit distance similarity. Again, these two are 100% the same. No problem. These two are kind of the same. Okay? These two are 89% the same. And if you can see in the query, we said the similarity should be more than or equal to 75. Easy. Let's go for the other one. Jaro-Winkler distance. This this one, I honestly don't know how useful this function can be. Maybe for vector type of things or other things. I can't imagine something big, but maybe there is a big usage. As you can see, it shows the distance by numbers like this. Why I don't know the real usage? Because I want to know if I use something like this or this. What is the real difference? I don't know. I really don't know. Honestly, I don't know. The other one. The other one also would do the same for similarity, but it seems, as I showed you in the table, these two are focusing on the prefixes. That's all. And here there is a sample that included all of the functions together, like this: black, red, edit distance 5, Jaro, similarity, all of these things. So these four functions would help you to find the similarity or differences between strings. As I said already, this is not something so exciting. You could simply say I already created or have written a custom function in SQL Server, Python, C Sharp, whatever, to do all of these things. And these four are kind of useless for me. But it seems Microsoft Teams wanted to do something and they have foreseen something or some usages in these four functions. If you know something specific about these four, please let me know in the comments. Then I will create another video about the real usages of these things. I want to know what is new. If Microsoft haven't included these four, what was happening? What was the problem? Because we already could do all of these things. So these four are not so new, exciting, usable. Maybe I'm totally in fault. Maybe there is a big usages for these things. But as I have seen, I could already do all of these things by a simple function or having some loops or these things. But it was the Microsoft decision and we respect them, we appreciate them, and I will appreciate you guys if you watch the video and let me know if you know something different than what I have understood from these four. Thank you so much. Bye bye.